Thank you for purchasing from Garbage Commander. Happy to bring these videos of how to install our products.
Thank you for watching this video with Garbage Commander. Today we're going to talk about the difference between our standard hook and our mountain hook. The standard hook has a zero adjustability. This thing is going to be 2.5 inches wide from this point to this point. Which means if you're looking at your garbage can, the knuckle is right here in the center, and that has to be 2.5 or smaller for allow this to slip right in. If you have other garbage cans that have a little different operation here, you can go with the mountain hook. This mountain hook is going to be set up for a 10-inch difference, or with the smaller holes, an 8-inch difference. This is going to allow you to adjust and make sure that you can fit your hooks in the proper spot for your trash can. Again, the standard hook is non-adjustable. Your mountain hook is adjustable in 2 different spots. You're generally going to find these products with our UBL arm similar to this, or slide-in arm that's going to be like this. If you have any other questions, we're always here to help. Give us a call, check it out, garbagecommander.com. Thank you.
Only at Garbage Commander.